Hi guys, and welcome to the 8th video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. In this video, I am featuring hanging shoe organizers. Remember, you want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. You probably have not thought of using them the ways I show you here. The purpose of a hanging shoe organizer is to store shoes vertically from a closet rod. These are not meant to contain heavy items as they are typically made of cardboard covered in fabric. The cardboard will bend and the fabric will tear if overloaded. The best ways to use a hanging shoe organizer can be to store any small items you need convenient access to from within a closet. To prevent it from getting too dirty, when storing shoes, whenever possible, store the soles of the shoes facing each other. If that is not possible, you can place cardboard or poster board or Dollar Tree chopping mats cut to size within each cubby for easy cleanup. Shoe bins also fit perfectly within each cubby. Besides shoes, you can store hats and scarves. This can be great to keep in a coat closet for easy access to winter accessories for the whole family, which is similar to the setup I showed you in my hanging sweater organizer video where I show you how to set up a family command center. You can also turn a coat closet into a cleaning closet and store paper towels, trash bags, small cleaning tools, and cleaning cloths on a hanging shoe organizer. Some unconventional ways to use a hanging shoe organizer can be to store things like towels, linens, and toiletries for your guests in the guest room closet. If you have a coat closet near your kitchen and/or dining area, you can store small appliances or the parts to appliances along with linens like kitchen towels, placemats, tablecloths, and even small items like candles, candle holders, and coasters. You can also store seasonal decor items like linens and rugs. And you can store all of the little baby items because we mamas know babies come with a lot of stuff. You can insert shoe bins and label each bin by category, including burp cloths, washcloths, first aid, lotions, ointments, hair accessories, hand mitts, socks, and shoes. You can even turn a hanging shoe organizer on its side and store yarn in your craft room or small stuffed animals on the dresser in your child's room. These are perfect if you need to store a variety of lightweight items and if you utilize the top and bottom of your closet for other storage solutions. This can also be a great option for unconventional storage solutions in an unused coat closet. And with it being narrow, you won't even take that much space if you do use the coat closet as a coat closet. First, as always, don't purchase more hanging shoe organizers than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products in general. This can be a budget-friendly storage option since it is the same as purchasing multiple bins in one. As usual, I have links to affordable versions of hanging sweater organizers on my blog. The direct link to the blog post is below. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of hanging shoe organizers will be good solutions for your spaces. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!